Once again.
And welcome to day 16 of our house renovations. Today I went and picked up another 12-foot piece of half-inch sheetrock for up there. And if you look right here, this is a line where I cut. But I don't know if I could save that up there or not, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Probably not. But right now, today is the day that we're gonna fucking cut this shit out of the hole. Take this wall down and build a big open spot. Put a header in that motherfucker. So the day's the day for the wall to go away. And I've already got my header all made up right there. So I'm gonna go ahead on now and we're gonna take these 2x4s, they'll lay in here. We're gonna be able to build 2 false walls to support this ceiling. We'll build one right here on this side. We'll build another one on the other side. Just gonna go ahead on it. And I'm gonna screw them together with the impact. And get all this shit supported, move everything out away from this fucking wall and start pulling all this sheetrock down. So that's where we're at right now on day 16. So now Dave has tore this shit down. And I thought I was recording the motherfucker. And I won't. I fucking thought, I don't think this shit was recording, man. That was pretty good. He fucking tore that whole fucking wall down in like fucking 20 seconds.
Couple seconds.
Yeah. Damn. Anyway, this is where we're at right now. So now I got my header just sitting there kind of suspended on that chair rail. So when I take this wall down, I can just slide it up there. And I measure 9 1/4 inches down from that fucking bottom of the top board. Because I'm taking that bottom board out. And I've already pulled a little block saw so the hell now and pull that header out of there. So I ain't supporting nothing right now. And then we're gonna go ahead and build our walls. And then after that, I'm gonna fucking go ahead and take a sawzall and cut that line right there. And then I'm gonna go over here and do the same fucking thing. 9 1/4 inches down from the bottom of that top board. That way fucking, when I get these studs out of here, I'm gonna run a skill saw through each one and pull them out one by one after I get my walls built. When that's gone, I'm gonna clean that up. We're gonna pick this header up right here, which is 2x10s and a piece of half-inch fucking plywood in between and glued in the middle and nailed. I'm gonna pick that up and slide it right up in there and cut the edge of that 2x4 and the edge of that 2x4 right there. So now I have one 2x4. Then I'm gonna put 2 more on each side, so I have 3 on each side, and then we're gonna fucking tie it in really good. So when we do that, they can take the wall down, their temporary walls down, and go ahead and start fucking trim framing and all that, and sheetrocking it and shit. Right. So now I'm getting a fucking couple of fucking temporary walls in here to support this shit on this side. And they shimmed it up, fucking beat them over to push the actual ceiling back up. Put a lot of tension on it. Right here, so you got that wall. And on this side, you got another wall. As you can see, you got a separate extra wall right there. So you got one on each side of the old wall to support the shit, and this one is leaving enough to for us to work in. There's actually a little bit of a belly right there in the ceiling, so got to see how that works. That putting the header in, but right now I'm gonna lay that out and cut that board right there, and cut that one over there, so that I have somewhere to sit my header on. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead on and start cutting these middle ones out. Hopefully your ceiling don't fall down. Now it's time to start disassembling the fucking wall and shit. Cut all that out. Get these fucking blocks out of here. And the only thing in the way of us on the header is these fucking stuff. Alright. Now I'm gonna come through here with a fucking skill saw and cut each one of these bitches in half. We'll pull them out. See if we can get them out without fucking that sheetrock up out there. Just a moment of truth right here.
really want to cut them in half?
All right, all the studs are out of the wall now. So now we got to go up there and pull that top board off. And then we'll go ahead on and set our fucking header. Lift it right up, slide it right in. This is what it's looking like on this side. There's our header. And that top board's gone up there now. Now we got to do is get up here and cut all the nails out and slide this fucking header right up into the spot where it's going to go. And it should grab and sit on top of them 2x4s right there. Right there that we notched out. It sit right in there. Before, I go ahead on and put fucking 4 more 2x4s under it. So I got 3 on each end. So this is what it looks like on this side. It's starting to look open now. Like an open floor plan. That's where we're at. Alright. So now we got our header fucking sitting up there. And it all worked out real nice and shit. Went exactly where we wanted it to go. So now I'm gonna go ahead on, I'm gonna fucking attach that fucking header like it's supposed to be. And run some screws up into that top board and secure it. And I'll go ahead on and fucking put my other 4 2x4s in on the sides. And fucking screw everything together. And nail it together. And then we can take these fucking these temporary walls down. Alright, so we got our header in. And I got these fucking 2x4s on the side. Also got the bottom of the wall. Look how they did that old subfloor. This is like made 1953, built in 53, so you don't see subfloors like that. Check that shit out. So anyway, I'm gonna stand back and we're gonna look and see what it looks like. So it opens up every fucking thing. That shit out. So when you're sitting in the dining room, you can watch TV. Also, you can see all the way across the house. It makes the house look bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead on now and cut some sheetrock and paint it. So I'm gonna make our frame and start trimming it off again. Load all this shit up. All right, now we're at the end of day 16. And we then took that wall out, put the header in, framed it up on the sides, put the sheetrock up, hung it up. So tomorrow I'm coming in here tomorrow and I'm gonna tape all those joints and mud them and get all that fucking shit mudded and taped and everything. And then that way I can go ahead and I can fix my floor and put my trim up and put the case in the middle of the door and shit like that. So that's what we got. That's what it looks like. Just like that. It opens up the house. Stand over here, you get the view of it. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and I'll be mudding and fixing. I was able to save that sheetrock up there, so that's gonna save me from having to fucking tape against the ceiling and stuff. But I couldn't save this over here, so I had to fucking tape and mud all that shit. But all in all, it ain't gonna take a whole lot more to fucking go ahead on and get that shit mudded up, get it framed out, and go ahead and finish putting my beadboard up and the floor down. And then we'll be past that point of doing that shit, and then we'll work on the walls a little bit more, and then start rolling everything in fucking oil primer, so we can go ahead and get this shit painted, get the house painted on the inside. After we get everything all painted and everything, then I'll go ahead and start putting the tile down in the bathroom, putting up kitchen cabinets, countertops. Yeah, we gotta take that chimney out and fix the fucking roof. I keep forgetting about that. Lighting. So, probably getting close to the halfway point. Or a little under the halfway point. It's a lot to do. The last thing will be the floors getting ready finished. I gotta put a floor down in the kitchen and all that other bullshit. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. If you got any questions about what we did today, ask a question in the comment section and I'll reply. And subscribe to the channel. Hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload another video. and watch some of the other 300 videos we've got on how to do stuff and reviews and whatnot and everything. And y'all have a good day now, and stay tuned for tomorrow, day 17 of our house renovation. We'll go over here and get one last little view from this corner. Not only does that open up the room, it opens up makes the floor plan just a little more open. A little bit better of a selling point probably. To either sell it or rent it or something like that. You still got enough room to put a couch right there. So anyway, that's where we're at. We opened up that wall. Subscribe now and hit the like button, leave a comment, watch our other videos, and have a good day. And don't forget to turn your YouTube on tomorrow and watch part 17 on our day 17 house renovation. Have a good day.